Okay. We are
Good afternoon, respected dignitaries, Justice M.L. Mehta, Mr. Vivek Narayan Sharma, sir. I, Atin Handuja, CEO of Legal Foxes, welcome you all to the validatory and the result declaration ceremony of Legal Foxes and Gemtech First National Virtual Moot Court Competition. Today we have Chief Guest, Justice M.L. Mehta, and Guest of Honor, Advocate Vivek Narayan Sharma, sir, with us. Before results, I would like to request Justice Mehta to enlighten us with his experience. So please unmute here.
Yeah, well, Atin, I must first of all tell you that the way you have organized, along with your partners, that is Legal Aid and your university, JMC, it's very well done. And this being the first attempt made by you, I'm really impressed the way you have done it. It's wonderful. I've attended so many moot courts in various universities, and many in Delhi University and MIT and other universities also. And having seen that the final round participants, I think a good class of students have participated, because I can make out from the final round the class of students who have participated in the previous rounds also. So I'm sure that your initiative has reached well received by the students across the country, and recognizing your effort and that of the university you are associated with, they have participated. So far as the participation is concerned, I have already stated, and so is my co-judge, Mr. Sharma would also agree with me, has also agreed with me, that the participation is wonderful and par excellent rather. Both the teams are very well prepared, very thorough, and of course, when we reach at the final stage, there has to be one winner and one is the runner-up. So it is not that whosoever is the runner-up is not a good team, or their presentation or their participation was not good. But as said, one has to be winner, the other has to be runner-up. It is a part of the game, and it is a learning experience for both. It is not that who has won it as the first will remain complacent that okay, they are the best and they need not to do further improvements. There is a scope of improvement for both the teams, and scope of learning for both the teams and other participants who have participated in the previous rounds. So it has been a very good experience for me to witness the participation from the students, and I am really feeling proud that we are getting such good students. And when I compare our times, when we were students in law schools, at that time there was no such concept of moot court, which started much later. And now, having witnessed various moot courts and seeing the quality of the students coming, and also the young lawyers coming in the courts, I am really happy and delighted to share that quality of litigation and so the quality of judgment is likely to improve with the present generation of lawyers. And having said that, both the teams, I again compliment to both the teams, both the participants of both the teams, and so far as their presentation and their preparation was concerned, it was very good. And there is, as I said, scope for improvement for both the teams, but there is little more for one team than the other. So let it be a learning experience for all the teams who have participated in the final round and also the ones which have already played and performed in the previous rounds. So with this, I would request my brother Shri Sharma ji to say a few words, and then we'll proceed to pronounce the results. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. I would request Mr. Vivek Narayan Sharma, former Joint Secretary of Supreme Court, Advocates on Record Association to enlighten us with his words.
Well, thank you very much, Atin, and my
So, Vivek sir, you are not audible. Vivek sir, are you there? Devshri, can you hear me?
Yes, Satyan. I think Vivek sir has left the meeting. So maybe he'll join again. Let's have a word with him.
Just a second. Sir is just joining in a minute. Michelle sir, you are on the main screen. Yeah, sir, I joined the session.
I'm sorry, means somehow means these technical glitches you never know. So I was on the point. Should I continue my address?
Please, sir.
Yeah. So improvisation, improvement, and introspection. These are very essential element for a lawyer's life because at any given day, it is your preparation that matters. On the given day, if a good lawyer is not prepared and a person who is a young lawyer who is prepared can even beat the good lawyer. So this is what I have seen even today. Means it was wonderful to see all of you to perform really well and with a depth knowledge in deep with regard to the subject matter that you had all.
I think there is some network issues with sir. Sir, I'm audible?
Yes, Atin, you are audible. Yes.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
I think Vivek sir has network issues.
My Lord Justice Mehta, can we please proceed with the results? With your permission.
Yeah. Yes, you can proceed, please.
So please
Or
announce.
I need to announce, or you're proceeding it?
Sorry.
I need to announce results from my side, or
Sir, please you announce, sir.
Ms. Sharma is not available.
I'll just check. I think there is some connectivity issues with sir.
Pardon?
So there is some connectivity issues with sir.
Then what do you suggest? You got his results with you?
Yes,
you
sir.
got the result of Ms. Sharma?
Yes,
you
sir.
can announce on his part. I'll announce, and then on his part you can announce. I'll announce after you announce his.
Sir, it has been compiled. The results are being compiled, and now we have single result.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It has already been mailed to you, sir.
You have mailed?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I think Vivek sir has joined. Vivek sir?
I don't know. I had to restart my mobile phone, I think. So should I announce the result? I think my points were heard.
So you can continue with your words.
I do not know that means. I just wanted to say good words about what I heard from the youth that we have today, and definitely I feel when I pass the baton to the youth, it's going to be really wonderful to see that they are well prepared and well rehearsed and well researched. So my best wishes to you all, and who all have participated. So don't feel disheartened for the fact that you have not won today, but tomorrow will again come and you will have your another chance. So means prepare better than today. So that's how we win the fight tomorrow. So my best wishes to you all. So Atin, you want me to declare the result?
Yes, sir, please.
So guys, keep your fingers crossed. I'm going to first announce the winner for the best researcher. Had I been in an auditorium, then I would have asked you to guess, but here I will just announce the name. He is from Central University of South Bihar, team code LF13. So Mr. Rahul Kumar is the winner as best researcher. So my best wishes from Lex Foxes, as well as me, as well as Mehta sir, to Mr. Rahul Kumar. Wonderful job done. And the second winner in the second category, Best Student Advocate. He is from VES College. She's from VES College of Law, and she is Miss Harsha Menon. Best wishes, Harsha Menon. Then
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, pleasure. Then we have third category, that Best Memorial. And this memorial goes to three persons jointly of Indian Institute of Law, Nirma University, Team LF47, Mr. Aviral Srivastav, Mr. Utkarsh Pandit, and Mr. Akshat Mehta. All the very best to you all. Yeah. And then I will now announce the runner-up of the final round for this moot court competition? And any guesses? Well, so the both team, as we have already mentioned, that both teams have done very well, and one has a little better advantage on the other. So we have Symbiosis Law College Law School Pune as runner-up in this moot competition. Congratulations, Symbiosis
Thank you,
team,
sir.
Mr. Ram Sharma, Ms. Minakshi Man Raju, and Ms. Tamanna
Thank you, sir.
Chanchlani.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much,
much,
sir.
sir. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
So I pass the mic baton to the Mehta sir to announce the winner.
Oh, well, Sharma ji, I think you have already announced. And there's only this is the best way of saying leave it to the judge because you know that you are getting the relief. Okay. Anyway, and the winner is of course the team which is I don't know the college, but yes I know the names of the participants. One of them is
VES College of Law, sir.
okay, VS College of Law, which is the team comprises of Sakshi and Harsha, and they are the winners.
And Ms. Purva
Thank you
Lamba.
so much, sir.
They are,
Thank you
Their
so much,
researcher,
sir.
Ms. Purva
Thank you
Lamba.
so much, sir. Thank
and
you.
All the very
yeah,
best.
both of you have done excellent job, wonderful, and I'm really
Thank you.
impressed. Both of you have done. So are the members of the petitions team also, as said by Ms. Sharma, and so I'm reiterating that wonderful job has been done by both the teams as far as the preparation and presentation is concerned. But yes, team A of the petitioners need little more practice, only practice, and rest is they are on the right track. So my heartiest congratulations to both the teams, and particularly to Harsha and Sakshi, and to your researchers, to your entire teammates, to your college. And I'm really, really, really proud of your presentation and really impressed. So make it up and keep it up. And I'm very hopeful that both of you are going to be very, very good advocates in the legal profession.
Thank
So
you.
wish you
Thank you so much, sir.
It was an absolute pleasure arguing before this honorable court. Thank you so much, sir.
Pleasure is ours, and our best wishes, and do well. And anytime you need any help, Mehta sir is there. You can always seek guidance from Mehta sir, and at any time you can connect with me. And Aten is also there to really help out our youth cadre. And you are always believe that you are the light who is going to beckon the world around. If you believe in yourself that yes, we have to do good work and we have to really enlighten our surrounding, then definitely you will always feel happy about doing good work, and that will be a benefit to the society as well.
Now I would like to announce the winning team to speak a few words.
Okay, Sakshi, would you want to go first?
No, you can go first.
Okay, so myself, Harsha Menon. So it's our absolute pleasure to actually be a part of this competition because we were not so sure about virtual moot court in the first place. We did so because this would be my last moot court competition because I'm a final year student, and I am so proud that we did it. Like me, Sakshi, and Purva together researched very hard. I have irritated both of these young minds. Actually, I'm their senior, and I have made them slog and hard work so much, and I'm so glad that I did that because it actually paid off today. And I would from the bottom of my heart like to thank Legal Foxes for conducting this virtual moot court competition. The organization was so well done that I wish all the moot courts in the future was actually done in a virtual way, because it was so, like, each and everything was planned, it was punctual, each and every links were sent to us like half an hour before the competition or even a day prior. The memorial exchange was flawless. There was no absolute complaint to even talk about from the organizers. So coming from the team itself, it's a great pleasure to be participating in this wonderful competition. Thank you so much, Legal Foxes and the learned judges, for judging this competition. Thank you so much.
This was a pleasure to be a part of this competition, and I would like to thank everyone who was a part of it, the participants and also the judges, as well as the Legal Foxes who have organized this moot. So thank you so much. It was a pleasure being a part of this.
Thank you so much, Harsha and Sakshi. The runner-up team, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. It was an absolute pleasure, like everybody said, being a part of this competition. I congratulate our final opposite team. They were extremely great. So hearty congrats from all of us. Thank you so much, learned judges. The constructive criticism that was given to us will definitely be taken into consideration. One of the best parts about this moot was the fact that we learned to coordinate work even though we're miles apart from each other, which I think is extremely important in the future. It was an absolute pleasure, and I'm very happy about all the teams we came across. Everybody is equally talented, and I'm very glad that I could take part in this. And thank you so much, the organizing committee. This was a very well organized moot.
So time for vote of thanks. I am thankful to Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, former Chief Justice of India, Justice M.L. Mehta, former Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Dr. Adish Agarwal, Mr. A.S. Chandiok, Dr. Manoj Kumar Sinha for inaugurating the ceremony. And I would also like to thank Mr. Vivek Narayan Sharma sir for judging the final rounds and to be the guest of honor of this valedictory ceremony. Special thanks to Ms. Shreya Roda Mehta, Judge at Delhi Judicial Services and Secretary at Delhi Legal Services Authority South for throughout supporting us for this event. I would like to thank all the advocates and judges who gave their valuable time for this event. This event would not have been possible without my team, and my team did a commendable job for organizing this event. They worked day night for this event. So thank you so much, team, for throughout support in this competition. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating in the event. So now we can close the valedictory ceremony. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending the moot court competition.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
A special thanks to you, sir.
It's my pleasure to be a part of this. Really a good learning for me also. Thank you, everybody, again and again. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
It's a pleasure hosting you, sir.
And all of you, I wish all of you to stay safe and keep working as you are working. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, guys. And thank you for joining.
It was really a tough decision for the judges to choose the best team. So you will get the certificates by the end of this week, and for cash prizes, you can text us or mail us. You can send us via WhatsApp or via mail, and we'll transfer your cash prizes by today.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for participating.
Come here.
Ms. Nishi Kumari, the session has been ended. Deshri recording बंद करो please.